Himeno, Chainsaw Man. Landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with her one eye that we can see. So center point to my page about here. Just come over to the right a little bit and we'll start with a curved line that just goes up and down. Like so, right? You want to thicken this line up. You want to make it darker. Like that. And then we add some eyelash lines sticking off. Like so. Bottom eyelid line. Right, like that. And then eyelash lines sticking off as well. And she seems to have some lighter lines around the bottom, but it could be drawn in with like color, you know, but just like some little lines there like that. Excuse me. Iris. Like so. Pupil in the middle. Right, and sometimes they draw in sort of these lines like so. And there's highlights and stuff if you want to do that. Eyelid line, up and down. Like so, and another one sort of up here somewhere. Eyebrow, standard curved line up here. And then you want to thicken it up. Like so. Okay, so her, let's say, yeah, we'll do that. We'll do her face mask. Or like eye patch, right? Curves down like this. Goes down beyond this eye, the bottom of it, okay? And then her nostril, just here below that, in the middle. So below this line, down here. And her mouth. So she's just got standard sort of anime smiling mouth with a gap, right? So it's got two lines. A little dimple on the end. And you leave a gap, right? And you just go up the other side. Okay. And then her chin just down here. So she's leaning forward with her head tilted, right? So this whole space is bigger than this, right? So chin to nose will bring it to like eye, pupil, right? So like here to here is about the same as here to here, like her pupil. Right? Normally in anime, it's like the eyebrow, but she's leaning forward towards the camera, so we got some perspective. So this and this are the same, and then nostrils to the bottom lip under this line is the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, and then we can do her jaw. So female jaws in anime, they're not like angled, they're just like smooth curved line, right? You're going to curve it up to about here. Okay. Mappa do like to do thin sort of lines on the characters' faces. And you would do the same thing on the other side pretty much. She has hair coming down across her face on this side, so we can't see it as well. So speaking of hair, all coming down across her face, right? So Yeah, and then the top of her eye patch, but we'll just do the hair parts first. So say like starting here. Just these curved hairlines coming across her eye. Across here. Down. What a great episode of animation this was, by the way. Mappa are absolutely killing it. Right, we'll just bring this up to there. So we can just see some of her eye patch in between these lines here. So we go about this level. And then the hair that hangs down the side of her head. Seems to have like a little bit of a gap in the hair. Little strands of hair sort of coming off there. Right, we'll do something similar over this side, just hanging down onto her face. And some goes down behind her shoulder as well. So like somewhere here. There's like a little gap in the hair here. Right, and then top of her head, so we'll just go up around. We kind of have a part in the middle. Bumps around the other side. And then these lines come up a bit further. Like so. Right, so shoulders come out and down, quite narrow because she's female. Thin sort of shoulders, right? Like that. You can see gaps just here. Maybe her ear actually in there. Right, and then she's got a strap top on, so it just comes, the lines for that come down here. Collarbones. Center lines for her chest, and then her neck. Like that, and then her like armpit area, and then chest here. Armpit, chest. Like that. Yep, and that's pretty much it. R.I.P. Oh, sorry, no spoiler. Hopefully I'll edit that out. But that was great. And there it is. Himeno from Chainsaw Man. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.